What's going on, guys? It's your boy G and Paulie right here at Indian Challenger Riders. Today we have something really special to show you. Custom Dynamics sent us some low profile LED saddlebag lights. If you want to add some safety to your nighttime riding and some nice cosmetic looks on your bike, we got you covered. We are super excited to show it to you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so let's get right into this. We're gonna show you exactly what is inside the box. You're gonna get two of these hard shell plastic smoked or red, there is a red option, LED lenses right here. And they also come with a run, turn and brake feature. Alright guys, also in the box is this plug and play adapter for the factory harness. You're gonna install this. We will show you exactly how to do that. It's a very simple installation. This is included in the box. Also included in the box, you're gonna have these zip ties and zip tie adapters that you can attach to your saddlebags and some alcohol wipes. Also in the box, you're gonna find your LED bags, Custom Dynamics instructions. Also in the box, you will find this product catalog, which is gonna give you the newest products listed in this nice booklet. Or if you want to look it up online, you can always go to the website. It's customdynamics.com. They got a bunch of stuff for your Harley, for your Indian, and any type of metric bikes, etc. So go check it out, customdynamics.com. Alright guys, just so you know, these are plug and play lights. They are very easy to install, super simple. We're gonna show you step by step exactly on how to do it. There is no drilling required. You don't have to drill any holes if you don't want to. These are all plug and play lights, and one very important thing, they come with a lifetime warranty. So in case something happens, reach out to Custom Dynamics. Without further ado, let's get right into the installation. First step is to take your side covers off, so do this on both sides. Alright guys, next step is to take the seat off, and we need to take both bolts off on both sides. So you're gonna take a H6 Allen and take both bolts off on both sides. Alright guys, after you've loosened and taken off the bolts, it's time to take off the seat. Alright guys, next step, we will be routing the cables on the outside of the saddlebag, and Paulie has a nice saddlebag setup here. He's got these quick release connectors, so he's gonna detach the cable on the right side, right over there, and he's going to quick release detach the saddlebag. That's it. Take the saddlebag off. And we are all good to go. Alright guys, so now it's time to clean up the outsides of the saddlebags. We're gonna clean all the areas where we attach the LED strips, and then on the inside where we're going to route the zip ties, we are going to clean that area up as well. We are going to use denatured alcohol, but you can also use the provided alcohol pads that are inside the box. So let's go ahead and keep cleaning. Make sure you're cleaning up nicely where the LED lights go. Alright guys, we have placed the saddlebag on its side after we cleaned it up, and we are going to do some test fittings here. We're gonna see how we're going to position the zip ties. You're gonna get a couple zip ties in the bags together with these zip ties holders, and just find a route, the way you want to route them on the saddlebag, so you kind of have an idea. And then that's how we're gonna route it, just like that. Alright guys, so right here you see how we routed the cables. We have attached our zip tie holders on the on the outside of the saddlebags. And over here you can see Paulie is holding his zip tie. We are going to attach the zip ties to the zip tie adapters. And then at the end, when we are done, we are going to button it up tight. So let's go ahead and do that first. Alright guys, we have put the saddlebag back on the bike. We are doing some test fitments right here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your LED light just like he did, and you're gonna slide it from the bottom and then just up. You're gonna feel when it's gonna end, and you're gonna get a feeling exactly how to position the LED strip. So do that same thing that we are doing right now. Alright guys, we have taken off the tape of the 3M glue strip, and now we are going to attach the LED strip just a little bit shy of the saddlebag, the lid, so when you close it, it won't hit the LED strip and possibly cause, you know, this thing to fall off. Alright guys, here you have it. The LED strips are attached. We're gonna take the lid off. That's how it looks like when the lid is open. Now we're gonna show it to you when the lid is closed. Beautiful. So now let's go ahead and do the wiring. Just so you guys know, your cables are also quick release, so if you do ever have to take the saddlebags off, all you gotta do is detach the wire right there and take the saddlebag off. Alright, so we are done with one side. You're gonna repeat the same steps on the other side, and then you're gonna route both cables underneath your seat, and now it's time to install the adapter. Alright guys, now it's time to separate the stock wiring harness. You're gonna find it on the right side underneath your seat. So take that off and disconnect it just like that. Now it's time to grab the provided plug and play adapter, and you are going to attach it in line with the stock connector, just like Paulie did right here. You're also going to take the other side and plug it in line with the same plug and play connector. Now you are left with two separate connectors right here. Alright guys, now it's time to connect the LED saddlebag lights to the wiring harness. What you are going to notice is that the cables on the wiring harness that connect to the LED strips, they have different colors on it. You want to connect the black and purple wire with the connector that has the same color combo, that has the same black and purple connector, just like we have right here. Then you're gonna do the other side, which has a black and brown cable, and connect it to the black and brown connector. That's it. Alright, we're gonna test out the lights now. The bike is off. Let's turn it on. Alright guys, here we're going to show off the low profile backlights from Custom Dynamics on Paulies bike. We at night right here, and we have the bike on, and now we are going to apply the brake first. And now we're gonna do the right turning signal, left turning signal. So they are very bright, as you can see. So now we are going to show and compare Custom Dynamics low profile back LEDs to their Custom Dynamics plasma back LEDs that are on my bike. Alright guys, so right here you see we have both bikes next to each other. On the left side you're gonna see my bike with the Custom Dynamics plasma rods, and on the right side you're going to see Paulie's bike with the horizontal lights. We're going to show off both lights at the exact same time. So we're gonna apply the brake now. As you can tell, both lights are equally bright. It's just a matter of preference. Now we're gonna apply the right side turning signal. And the left side turning signal. And that's it. Alright guys, this was it. This was the video. We showed you the Custom Dynamics horizontal low profile LED backlights for your 2020 Indian Challenger and up. We also compared it to the plasma rods. I hope this was helpful to everybody of you. If you see any value in this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and subscribe, give us all the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you know anybody who wants to put these on, share the link, spread the word. Other than that, your boy G says bye. Paulie says bye. We love you. And as always, if you need help with anything Indian Challenger related, please feel free to reach out to me. Paulie Fatty on Instagram, Indian Challenger Riders on Instagram. Same thing with the Facebook accounts. We see you guys out there. It's your boy G. It's your boy Paulie.
Yo.
Ride safe. Don't forget, don't fucking die. All right, guys. So like always, we're gonna show you first what's inside the box. What does shit, man. Fuck. See, I'm getting out of focus, kurwa. Man. All right, guys. So like always, we're gonna show you first what comes inside in the box. We're gonna do a whole unboxing. Like this.
Well, we can't see the bike, so we're gonna step away and show the bikes. Should I step away?
But that's a fucking good camera, bro.
Hell yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah, I do.
You're recording. Should we put this in the fucking outtakes? Anyways. Hold on. All right, guys.
You're
this was
definitely high.
No, I'm shut the fuck up, bro. Anyway, also in the box you're gonna get these shit. What is this called? It's a plug and play.
Plug and play. This is a plug and play adapter for the factory harness. Plug and play adapter for the factory harness.
All right, guys. Also in the box is this plug and play adapter for the factory harness. Dude, I'm gonna put this as the outtakes, dude. I swear to God. Anyway, so